What's up, fellow crypto miners? Thank you for stopping by. Please like and subscribe. Let's get into this video. New GPU mineable coin. Let's get on it. Not gonna waste your time. Okay, so today we're going to be going over POW Blocks, XPB, a new GPU mineable coin using the EVM model. So you're going to have to add it through your MetaMask. Let's get into it super quick. Going to show you how to set it up, mine, Windows, all the super fun, easy stuff. Okay, blocks powered by proof of work. Not going to waste your time. Pretty much essentially just POWBLOCKS is an exclusive decentralized layer 1 proof of work blockchain meticulously designed to cater to the mining community. What sets blocks apart from all the other ETH-based cryptocurrencies is its unique emissions model, characterized by a built-in system of reducing the block rewards by 5% every month. Additionally, POW offers comprehensive support from smart contracts and compatibility with Ethereum virtual machines, EVM, empowering developers to build decentralized applications and automate various processes. So essentially, they're just trying to be the mineable Ethereum, you know, because as you know, a couple years ago, Ethereum went to proof of stake, and yeah, so no pre-mine, insta-mine resistant, supposed to be hard fork resistant and ASIC resistant, quote unquote, but we'll see. Block reward, another big thing. No smart contracts, so hopefully we get some cool NFT projects and whatnot, blah, blah, blah. It says it stands out, but it looks all the same. We're going to come over here. We're going to check out the white paper really quick. Nothing super in there. The initial supply starts at 0. There's no set supply for this coin, so, you know, it could be a massive rug pull, it could not. Let's go over here to POW Blocks. We're going to check on mining pool stats. As you can see, this coin, actually, let's go back. New coins. As you can see, this coin has been out for 5 days, currently has 18 pools, 161.47 gigahash, so you know it's moving right along. As you can see, there's many pools. Currently I'm using the mining for the people, help spread out the hash rate just a tad bit. What you're going to do is come over here, find your pool that you like. It will give you, you're just going to go through. We're using a Windows, also works for Linux and I believe Hive OS. Yeah, gonna go NVIDIA graphics card. NVIDIA graphics card, US Stratum. If I could click on the right thing. You're going to enter your wallet address. To get your wallet address, what you're going to do is come over here, hit that, add it to MetaMask, come over here to your MetaMask wallet. One second. Not what we wanted. Back over here. You're going to go to your MetaMask. As you can see, I've already been mining this coin out to test it. You're going to go to account. Nope, you're not going to go to account. You're going to go over here. You're going to hit add network. And then once you've added the network, you just click on add that. It'll add it to your MetaMask. Also works on your phone. If you just go on your iPhone, go into MetaMask, copy the link from their website, and then tap on that, it'll take you right in there. So once you get your wallet address, you're going to paste it in there. Once you have your wallet address pasted, they'll give you this. I did it the easy way. And here, let's just do it for turds and giggles. We'll get our wallet address. Also, if you get bored and want to send me crypto, go ahead and do that, because I'm broke as hell. And then worker name, we'll go K1. Once you have that, if you hit download config, keep, because you know Windows is stupid, you'll get a start.bat file. You'll take that file, you'll bring that file. I'm currently using LOL miner v1.76a, that matters. You'll bring that file in there, and then you'll hit start. Let's go ahead and do that. Once you get that file downloaded, you'll click it, you'll hit start, it'll open up. As you can see, I'm running 2 RTX 3060 Ti's, and yeah, it's up and mining all properly. I think I'm achieving around 40 some odd mega hash per. and I am not using the appropriate overclocks currently, so let's go ahead and set my overclocks really quick. Always make sure to set your overclocks first. Please like and subscribe. Check the links down below. Get a free stock with my Robinhood. Get 250 bucks with SOFI if you need a high yield savings. Really good, really nice. You should definitely use it. I recommend it to everyone. Okay, we're gonna set our overclocks for this coin. And just to remind you, use an RTX 3060 Ti. This is also definitely a speculative mine. It could be a rug pull, it could be not. You know, crypto stuff. So for our core clock, we're using plus 150. For our memory, we're using minus 502 with a power limit of 75. That usually gets me around 150 to 160 watts at about 45, 47 mega hash. So that's how to mine POW blocks or POW blocks, XBP. Go check out their Discord. Please like and subscribe. And yeah, you have an awesome day. Or don't. I don't really care. Just like my videos.